To add a page border to your Word document, navigate to Design on the top menu, and then on the right hand side, click on the Page Borders. This will bring up the borders and shading options. Make sure you've clicked on Page Border, and you can see the different options that are available here. Here in these different options, you can change the style of the line, the colour. You can also change the width of the page border line. In the art box, you can assign a clip art to the page border instead of a line. The options on the left hand side change the style of the border, so you can have a box, you can add it with a shadow, you can have a 3D style, etc. You can also change if you want the page border to go all the way around or just on certain edges by clicking on the buttons in the middle. Clicking on the options button will bring up some more detailed options for you. You can change the margin size of the border, which will affect how the border sits on the page, and you can change where it's from, either the text or the edge of the page. You can change if you want it to always display in front, so that means that it will sit on top of all the other layers. If you click on the Apply To button, this changes the different options of where your page border will be, so you can apply it to certain sections, to the whole document, etc. And that's how you add a page border onto your Word document.